I'm Tim Carter. I'm a client portfolio manager on npower's optimisation desk. Welcome to this morning's market update on Tuesday the 26th of January. So looking at the markets, they're softer across the curve and prompt today. Key drivers are, number one, oil prices back below $30 per barrel as they come into sharp focus for the wider financial and commodity markets. Number two, we've got a UK gas system is just slightly undersupplied, but still reasonably comfortable in terms of fundamentals. And finally, number three, we've got the pound sterling continuing to weaken against the euro following comments from Draghi yesterday. Those are your main headlines. If you'd like any more information, please contact us on the email address provided. Otherwise, please continue to watch for a bit more detail. So, as I mentioned, the oil markets are sharply in focus again today. Brent price is trading below $30 per barrel at $29.30 at the moment. The key focus really is the oversupply, as Saudi comments yesterday suggested they won't curb any of their investment in energy projects, and we've also got expectations of increased US inventory builds again last week, with a Bloomberg survey suggesting it might be around a 4 million barrel build. So yeah, those are pressuring prices again today. Looking at the weather forecasts in the UK and Europe, they're pretty consistent actually with previous model runs, suggesting above seasonal normal temperatures, particularly across Europe, where it could be around 4 degrees above average for the next couple of weeks really. So that's continuing to pressure sentiment in Europe and the UK for gas and power prices. Look at the line pack today though, we're actually 4.5 MCM short. That comes as temperatures are just a little bit lower than they were yesterday, so demand's picked up a touch, and the supply levels are pretty consistent with where we are yesterday. But there's plenty of potential for either Norwegian supply or UK storage or LNG to pick up in response and help balance the system, as they're well below capacity, as they were yesterday as well. Looking at the power side of things, again reasonably comfortable, over 10 gigawatts of supply margins today. Wind generation's healthy, we're getting up to 60 mile an hour winds as a result of the kind of hangover from actually the storm that hit the US East Coast last week. So we're going to have, we've got currently 5 gigawatts of wind generation, which could pick up to around 7 gigawatts later today, and should be at least around 6 gigawatts through tomorrow as well. Finally, as I mentioned, the pound sterling is just suffering a little bit against the euro. Had picked up a bit towards the end of last week as the ECB suggested there would be more quantitative easing, but that corrected yesterday, and it's falling again today ahead of the Bank of England's Mark Carney speaking this morning. So we should see some further direction from that, but currently trading around 1.306 against the euro. That's it for today. Have a great day, and we'll speak to you again tomorrow.